Alright, so right now we're going to do a quick little video to show you how to import from Sketch. So here we have a Sketch artboard. I created an iPhone 7 size, which is 375 by 667. Just added a quick little circle in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into Type, create a new file. We want to change to the iPhone. Now we're 375 by 666, which is the same size as that, 375 by 666. Okay, we got that. And then all you need to do is say File, Import, and you'll see From Sketch come up. And what this is going to do is it's going to import whatever sketch file is open, and only that page. So within Sketch, we could theoretically have several pages, right? So I have all these pages. I only want the simple one, that. It's only going to input one thing, right? Just to run down these things here, if I wanted to flatten something, I'd be able to do that by using these star suffix on the name. If I wanted text layers, I have the option to do either text layers or image layers, which means if I don't care, I don't plan on the text to be being editable, it's sort of just going to sit there, then I might select image layers. But if you're actually planning on doing something with them, or anticipate there being some changes and you need to adjust, then you can click use text layers. And that's what I typically use because I think it's really helpful. Same thing with shapes. With shapes, you get some vector shapes, or you can make all the shapes come in as image layers. And then it would be less editable, but it would look more identical to the sketch file, right? And then you have some import images, like how large do you want them to show up there. And then finally, you just hit import, and there you go. And now the little dot showed up right where it's supposed to be, and all is good. Alright, so before we do that, before we continue though, let's get rid of that. Let's go back to Sketch, and let's see what happens with text, because we did just talk about that. So we're going to add some text. So add some text right there. Right. Open that up a little bit, and we'll go in here. We'll just add a little type. Let's do some advertising. Okay, let's just say this goes here, and have this little add thing going down there. Okay, now let's save that, and then I'm going to go back into Kite, and I am going to go, File, Import from Sketch. We're going to use text layers, and you'll notice, see now I can go in here, and you'll see the text layers are right here, so I can change things. Let's say hello, right? So that's pretty helpful. All right, then okay, so that's that. However, typically what happens is in Sketch is you'll have more than one, right? So let's just say create a couple more of these. And we're just going to change these colors to change this one to something else. Right, if I were to save that and then go here, let's just delete that, and I want File, Import from Sketch. You'll see that it shows all three. However, the only thing that you actually see, if I were to present this, the only thing that you're going to see is the stuff that's going on right here. You're not even going to see any of that. Okay, so that is important from Sketch, and we'll get into basics of animations, actions, and events soon.